wildlife apocalypse in California. Everything is burning to the ground. You guys, it's like a zombie land. Look at this. Look at this, bro. Everything's burning to the ground, you guys. People left their car. Say hi.
To win it.
Oh fucking god, I got these tires, dude.
Yeah, I'm not coming back this way. Good thing we're in your car.
Things are through hell itself down here. Literally through hell. This is madness down here. These homes are on fire and you can feel the heat from the flames even from inside your car. It is insane down here.